Friends, hello everyone! Bitcoin has stopped at the support level. Let's find out what will happen next. Whether we will break down or buoyant up. Let's go to the analysis. We of course have Bitcoin because we will not touch much of altcoins today because the liquidity and the domination are in Bitcoin. Bitcoin collects all the money, and the people who built altcoins who are now in serious losses, they now have a choice. Sell altcoins, fix the losses, or pour into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is growing and altcoins are not. This is a sign for the rest of the alt season. For those who haven't watched the past videos about altcoins, be sure to watch literally 2 or 3 videos ago. It's very important. So back to Bitcoin. We're exactly in our channel, just like I said. We're going from support level to resistance level here and there. What that tell us? That from these values we can deal in margin loans with 3rd to 5th, maybe 10th leverage intraday, with the goal of reaching a zone of about 30 to 31,300. I think that this will be reached literally in the next few days and perhaps even interrupted by further hikes. What possible scenarios could be waiting for us right here and now? In fact, there are 3, and I'm only considering 2. The first scenario is a false drawdown from our low to the high, just to the 0.38 level, or to the 0.5 level in the extreme case, and already from here further growth. Such a big impulse breakthrough in reaching our goal of $33,000 to $36,000. I assure you, we will achieve this goal. We will reach this liquidity zone because we need to give the market an euphoria and enormous impulse growth. Furthermore, I'm more inclined not to this scenario, but a slightly different one, a growth. Some kind of structure, maybe a pullback, maybe something else, a quick impulse breakout, a return to the level, and a retest to the support level. And from here, we'll continue growing at least till the same level, and then we will make some sideways movement. It will be interesting in a zone of $33,000. It looks logical. It looks interesting. Of course, there is always a negative scenario. You always have to consider all the possible scenarios, which is a fall. Our first stop in the 0.5 level, the local resistance level. Here we see at least a reaction. There may be a retest and further fall, or some small reaction, the creation of a squeeze structure, and our more global stop in the area of $25,000 to $27,000. Here we will start to build a side wheel of some kind, some structure. But I'm 90% in a positive scenario that we will get to the liquidity zone of $33,000 or $36,000. Locally, you can get longs here because we will have a reaction to this local level already during today. Altcoins still feel quite controversial. That's why we won't analyze them yet. Right now, the big players needs to boost Bitcoin to give euphoria. That it will be associated with is not that important. The adoption of BTC ETFs for large funds, some other positive, not so important. We are locally in the zone of past highs. Let's make the chart a little worse. Let's make a daily time frame. Look, we have here. If you look closely, an inverted semblance of a head and shoulders figure with the potential to be in the area of about 43,000 to 44,000. That's something to keep in mind as well. Probably the big player will do a very good job because I don't expect it. Already from here we will go somewhere in a more global correction. But I don't believe that we will gain a lot. We will gain some $16,000. An important point, guys, there was virtually no one buying here. Yes, people were buying a huge volume here, averaging here, and then they stopped belief in Bitcoin and bought either some small position or they didn't buy at all. So this big increase was pretty much taken away by nobody. Most of them were out of this rocket as well. So pushing the market right now is more than just fine for a big player because there are no people pushing the price and selling because they're charging much higher. To go to zero, you need to break even to $40,000 to $45,000 minimum. Run it through here now. Give 5 so that people would come in here. Buy this Bitcoin and then finally go lower already with a full rocket. That will be really beautiful. So for Bitcoin, that's the scenery I'm looking at. A local growth and then a correction to the $26,000 area, and from here a gradual growth at the beginning of a bullish cycle. So that is, my friends. Be sure to write your questions in comments. I will answer every question. Write the altcoins that you want me to analyze. And of course, give me some likes and subscribe to the channel. I'm not selling anything here. I'm not advertising anything. I'm doing everything from my heart. So your likes and subscriptions are the biggest motivation for me, confirmation that I do it for a reason. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow in the next video, in the next market review. Goodbye, guys.